If your data analysis feels like a guessing game, you're missing out on some key math skills. Let's fix that. Essential Math for Data Science by Thomas Nield is your go-to guide. Master the foundations of calculus, probability, linear algebra, and statistics. Everything you need to excel in data science, machine learning, and statistics. Start with calculus to understand the rates of change. Dive into probability to unlock the secrets of statistical analysis. Grasp linear algebra, and you'll be taming vectors and matrices like a pro. And with stats, you'll be performing hypothesis testing and interpreting p-values effortlessly. From linear regression to neural networks, Thomas Nield simplifies it all with Python code and libraries like SymPy, NumPy, and scikit-learn. Incremental learning ensures you build on your knowledge step by step. Ready to take control of your data and enhance your career prospects? Grab your copy and start mastering data science today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.